Focus for just 1 minute on the Glass Condor True Infrared Monoculars from Creative XP, a top-of-the-line yet affordable night vision gadget that never compromises on quality. In fact, the 2021 Infrared Glass Condor is the most advanced night vision monocular that Creative XP has ever produced. The Glass Condor can record videos and take crystal clear photos thanks to the fully multi-coated lenses and large objective. The impressive 850 nanometer no-glow infrared illuminator allows you to capture crisp videos in complete darkness without anyone noticing. The premium package comes with all the accessories you need: a 32GB memory card, USB cable, and a bonus card reader for downloading your recordings within seconds on your phone and computer. Thanks to the viewing screen and incredible long range of 650 feet, the Creative XP Glass Condor is perfect for coyote spotting and hog hunting during nighttime, home security, wildlife monitoring, farm surveillance, or even for boat driving at night. You can also use them during the day as a normal monocular. Have them up and running without any hassle. Insert 5 AA batteries, hold the power button for 4 seconds, and you are ready to see in pitch black. You can hook it up to a tripod and even an external battery or power bank if you want to record longer periods of time. Specifically designed not to drain your batteries within minutes as other IR monoculars. You can record up to 6 hours of videos during the nighttime and 8 hours during the day. The Glass Condor is IP56 waterproof and suitable for all weather conditions. The super lightweight design was developed for maximum functionality, and the handheld strap provides extra safety and comfort. It's a perfect gift for any wildlife passionate camper, hunter, or just for a darkness explorer. It's time to upgrade your outdoor night experience and always see the unseen with the Glass Condor Infrared Monocular.
New tonight, it looks like an air freshener, it smells like an air freshener, but police say it was really an invasion of privacy. Police say a man used it to spy on friends and family during a New England vacation.
Including several children. Here's Paula Eben with the story.
Yeah, it's kind of wild, and it's creepy, too.
York police say 32-year-old Joseph McGrath of East Longmeadow, Massachusetts, turned a vacation in Maine into a nightmare for the friends and family staying with him inside this home.
And one of the other people staying at the house at that time actually approached me and said, hey, you know there were cameras hidden in all the bathrooms. We're getting out of here.
In fact, there were 4 video cameras disguised as air fresheners found in bathrooms throughout the house.
One of the victims actually picked up the device, which would have been like a Glad air freshener, and it fell apart, or came apart, and it was brought out to everybody, and they were trying to determine who did it, who placed it there.
Police say McGrath illegally recorded 15 people, including 3 children, during their stay. McGrath was staying with the group, and detectives believe he came up a day early to install the cameras.
He turned it on, set it up, and you could see him setting it up and walking away and looking at it.
So McGrath is charged with violation of privacy. The group was only renting the home for the vacation, but police say the actual homeowners are cooperating with the investigation. Lisa?
Paula, thank you.